What's up with it, baby? Raymond ACH, you already know the drill, you already know what it is. I'm with my dog Tony. Got my boy Robert behind the camera. We're gonna hit some legs today. Do some light leg extensions, leg press, just something light, man. Show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Keep up with this workout journey we got going on. Look at this big wildebeest right here. Turn the camera to this boy. Look at him. What's that?
Hi, my name is Tony.
You heard? We doing legs. Look, man, hope everybody's having a blessed day. Go out there, go get it, go grind. I was tired from work, but we still had to come in here and go get it, man, no matter what. But yeah, so we're gonna start with these leg extensions, break them boys down, and then go to something else, you know what I mean? But let's get it. Hope y'all enjoy this vlog. We ain't gonna make it as long as the last one, but we're gonna still get it in. Let's go. Y'all, so we're here killing this workout. We're gonna be doing some leg press here in a minute. We're just doing these leg extensions. Like I said, this video is not gonna be as long as the other one. So yeah, I don't know if you wanna watch this workout like the last video, but look at this boy. I will record the whole session. I just don't want it to be long, exactly like the last video, so we're gonna vlog what we can. And here, say, man, so we doing this leg extensions, nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying, making sure we hold and doing what we gotta do. But look, man, today I wasn't gonna come to the gym, feeling lazy, tired from work. Might switch my occupation, man. We working too hard, man. I ain't want to get up, but you know we gotta get here, show up, show out, get these gains in, you know what I'm saying. Finish journey gonna go crazy. So yeah, like I said, ain't gonna record the all these sets because this is gonna be long like the last video. But we in here working, man. So we in here working. Y'all gotta come out here and go get this work in too. No excuses, man. No breaks. Just like that boy Stack say, man. We in here working. Oh yeah, so we just got done with these leg extensions. We're moving on to your leg press. And say, man, when you feel lazy, you don't feel like coming to the gym, just still come no matter what. What's up?
Down to start off with one plate.
Down 2 plates. Start off with 2 plates. Look at this guy. That boy back in the game, like EA Sports. Hope you're having a blessed day. Go out there and go get it whatever time y'all watching. Good morning, good night. About to go to sleep, sleep tight. You did? Yeah, we're gonna hit these leg press. Start off with 2 plates. Work our way up, get these gains. Look at this guy.
I took some today.
What's up?
I took some today.
What?
I feel good, yeah.
How many milligrams?
How many you supposed to stake?
Man, no, we all natural, man. Hey, we natural?
Maybe. I don't know.
Look, man, 2 plates on each side, something light. Still getting this workout and doing what we gotta do. My boy Bobby Bill right here just sitting. We get ready for the Marines. You know.
What, Marine? That's how he just came out, Special Forces?
Come on,
Special
bro.
Forces? So we gotta do 9 plates on each side. 9 plates on each side.
What?
Like this.
Our way up from 2 plates on the 4, on the 6, on the 8. This dude's already dying.
Yeah, I don't want to do legs no more.
You don't want to do legs no more.
Hell no. I don't like it. It's not for me.
What's up?
I said I don't like it. It's not for me. I'm good. Go crazy with it. Show them how you do it.
Are you joint?
Oh yeah.
Regular jump.
Okay.
What is that? I don't even know. I'm just going
I lost count too, brother. Go ahead. 2 more. 1. 1 more. 2. All right. How you feeling right now?
Up to 8.
How you feeling?
Decent, not too heavy.
Oh yeah?
Not too crazy, but good that boy though. Good that boy though. Yes, Lord. Iggy.
So right now we finna work these calves.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? Go crazy with it.
Just a light.
It's too light.
So light.
Never mind, it's gonna hurt.
Huh?
4. It still hurt.
It don't hurt?
No, it hurt.
Oh yeah, so we're not finna do too much recording of what we're working out because the video is gonna be long as hell like the last video. Giving y'all a light run through on what we do. Pure sweat, I promise, no water. You done? All right, here you can vlog what we do real quick.
Let's see. All right.
Light work.
Let that joint go down.
Feel like a low rider, boy.
Yeah, but when you go up, hold it. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, these joints hurt.
That's good.
They burn. Feels like I'm picking up a horse. Damn, bro, I think this is the most effective workout that I've gotten all day, besides those leg press. Nah, those leg extensions hurt too.
I'm just getting like right here.
Huh? Wow.
Lunges.
I'm probably gonna do bunny hops or something crazy. Alright, man, I'm gonna catch y'all back in a little bit. The geek.
Yeah, what you mean, bunny house? You talking about where you go down? Alright.
I'm leaving that in the video.
Huh? What, that I'm fat? Let's go.
Let's geek.
I got small legs. Chicken legs.
Don't skip leg day, fellas.
Yeah, you
Don't skip leg day.
Hey, they still look, you know what I'm saying? I got a little something on them. Hey, you can't, you know what I'm saying?
Alright. Alright, y'all, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. A light little leg day. Me and my boy Tony, my boy Barbacoa, you know, he did little arms too, but yeah, man, bang it out, do what we can, do what we gotta do. Came in here, at least got some workout in, you know what I'm saying? Shirt, already drenched, so we did get that workout. We're gonna go ahead and sit in the sauna, you know what I'm saying? And that's it, man. Video was not long at all, but y'all remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let us know if y'all like the shorter videos or the longer videos. You dig? And yeah, we out, man. Let's get it.
Keep them M's, that's all that I see. Reminiscent with no lights on. Now I got that ice on. That pride is with my eyes on. Turned up, they know my grind strong. Time gon' tell it all. Look who evolved. I'm on that mission. Now my wrist feel like it's Christmas.